black dress over there. Are you bored? You need to bully someone? Or is it something else that's bothering you? Yeah? Ooh. There you went again. Oh yeah. Ah, this one over there is like my baby seagull, but you can see that he has started to change colors a little bit away in his feathers. It's starting to get some little gray on the side there, more black on the back. They will change colors into black and gray like this one, almost like this one. But not until about 1 up to 4 years it will take actually. Yeah. That is what the book says anyway. Look at him again. Wow, for no reason he just turn and bite the others. Oh. What we call bad attitude. Yeah, no wonder it's war in this world, huh? If we behave like that to people or the creatures around us. No. Look at him. Yeah. You are one of those that we call demons. Yeah, that's why no one likes you. No, you better behave, mister. There he goes, hiding the food again. They're beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Everything is on the field now, my darling. Yeah, it's on the field. That's nice. Find it yourself.